Barcelona is the capital city of the autonomous community of Catalonia, located in the Kingdom of Spain. As well as being the country's second most populous municipality with a population of 1.6 million people within city limits. Its urban area extends beyond the administrative city limits with a population of 4.7 million people. And it's being the sixth most populous urban area in the European Union, next to Madrid, the rural area, Milan, London and Paris. The history of Barcelona stretches over 2,000 years to its origins as an Iberian village named Barqueno. Its easily defensible location near the Collserola Ridge, 512 meters, and the Mediterranean Sea, the coastal route between Central Europe and the rest of Iberian Peninsula, that's trying to keep its importance, if not always preeminence, throughout the ages.
Its average annual temperature is 21.2 degrees Celsius during the day and 14.1 degrees Celsius during the night. During the coldest part of year, during the January, average temperature ranges from 10 to 16 degrees Celsius during the day and 4 to 6 degrees Celsius during the night. In warmest month, August, average temperature ranges from 28 to 42 degrees Celsius during the day and 20 to 24 degrees Celsius during the night.
The International Workers' Day, or also known as the Labor Day in some countries, is a celebration of all the working class and the laborers that is being sponsored and by the movement of laborers, some of the communists or anarchists, and is held on May Day or May the 1st, and it's an ancient European festival.
Camp Nou is a football stadium in Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain. It's home of football club Barcelona since its completion 1957, with a seating capacity of 99.5 thousand seats. It's the biggest stadium in Spain.